Hey everybody, in the last video of this three-part series, I showed you the essentials of the recording studio and also showed you my favorite creative tools. Now in this video, I'm going to use those creative tools to actually write a song. I'm going to show you my creative process. Now your creative process is probably different than mine. Let me know down in the comments what your creative process is like. And then in the third video, we're going to show you the actual recording in music video format. It's going to be really cool. So subscribe so you don't miss that video. I'll also link it down in the description, and video 1 is linked down in the description. You'll also find a link to my free studio setup and resource guide. Let's continue. Now the cool thing is, I don't know what I'm writing. I don't have a tune in my head. I just know, hey, I haven't recorded any of my own music since 2008. Now I've recorded other stuff, a lot of other stuff. And I was just getting the itch recently, so I'm gonna plug my guitar in. Cool thing about drummers, I'm gonna create a drum beat. I'm gonna find something and that's gonna inform what chords I play. And then as I come to play different chords and want to go somewhere else, that'll help inform where I go with the drums. It's all that creative process. It's so fun. All right, I'm gonna get started. All right, so I've dorked around with the drummer track and I've adjusted it. I changed the drum set out and changed the beat preset and also monkeyed around with the other settings just to get something, and I think I found something I like. So now we're just gonna jam and see what happens. Just see what comes up. Now I like kind of coming through like I like just kind of like an open, almost like a feedbacky kind of open intro. I think that feels right here. So something kind of. So here we go. I've got it repeating. So this is the beginning again. The beginning again. Come up a little high there. And goes to something. All right, I like that. Now I've already copied over that section and then I made some tweaks to it. Let's see how it sounds. I kind of liked it. So we'll start at the beginning and then let it go through what would be, I guess, the intro, the chorus, or the, yeah, maybe. I don't know what it is yet. The hi-hat's got that kind of double time. Just good old AGD. I'm gonna keep playing around with that and I'll copy this drum beat more and play with it, and then we'll come back when I think I've got something. So that I'm just gonna continue just like that till we come up with something. Yeah, all right, so I'll keep going. All right, so I think I've got the drums worked out. I think I've got my song worked out on the guitar. So now I'm gonna record it. And one recording trick I'm gonna use is one of the oldest rock guitar recording tricks in the book. Is I'm going to record it once, I'm going to pan it all the way to the left so that it's just coming out of the left ear, and then I'm going to record the exact same, well, almost exact same, the same guitar part again, and I'm going to pan that all the way to the right. And what that's going to do is give me a huge stereo guitar sound. The guitar is going to sound huge and rocking and full. It's going to sound awesome. And then I'll add bass. I'm going to put all this together in like a music video format. So that's what you're about to see now. And I'll wear 2 different shirts so you can hear the left and the right. You'll know which video goes with which sound. So here we go, let's rock. All right, so that's my creative process. In the next video is going to be the actual recording. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.